Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we are going to teach you how you can add watchers to your tasks and to-do lists on ClickUp really quickly. For example, if you'd like to add team members or coworkers to the given task and let them, for example, be notified of any progress within that task as a watcher. So let us guide you through this, guys. It is very simple. Head over to ClickUp, log into your account and select the workspace in the top left. And after that, go through your spaces and find the task you would like to add watchers to. So let me, for example, go to that team space I created for demonstration purposes. And let me head over to the board overview to get a better overview of all tasks I have so far added to these boards and cards here, for example, like that to-do list. So simply enter the given task you would like to edit by left clicking on it. That is going to open up that customization window for the given task. So all you need to do, guys, is pay attention to that section here on the right hand side, activity, and here in the top right corner of it you will see that bell icon indicating how many persons or team members will get notified of any progress or activity within the task. So to add a watcher to that list, simply click on that bell icon, and after that make sure that watch is enabled so that you at least get notified on all activities for this task. For example, if you're the owner of the given ClickUp workspace. And what you want to do as well, guys, is, for example, search or use that search bar here to find watchers that have already been added as watchers, or simply add more watchers by clicking on the given user here on that list, or invite new users, team members, co-workers, people via email to become watchers. So simply click on that button here, and after that use that shareable link here, for example, copy by enabling this option by selecting copy link, and by copying that shareable link with externals, for example, to become watchers of the given task. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. As you can see, if I select, for instance, that user here, he or she will be added as a watcher. As you can see, it switched from 1 people watching to 2. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.